Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to show you how you can gain access to Udemy courses for free of charge with certification. Right now, Udemy is one of the top university right now in the internet where you can get courses you can learn for yourself. Right, you can get courses from digital marketing, copywriting, graphic design, UI UX design, web design, video editing, even languages like French, German, Italian, and all of that. Right now, one of the major challenges of accessing these courses is that you have to pay a certain fee to access these courses. Right, that's the reason I've done my proper research, and I'm bringing to you this video how you can access Udemy courses for free of charge. I'm showing you a secret website where you can access them for free without having to pay any single dime. Right now, the best way to make money right now online is by learning and mastering AI in demand skills and offering it for clients. Right, so I'll take you to my laptop screen, walking you through every process and showing you how you can get registered and how you can access these courses for free from this very secret website. Right, so with that said, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Norman Evans, and what I do in this channel is that I bring simple financial principles and I teach you right here in this channel, and I show you other ways to make money online through the internet and off the internet, and also productive video and tech related video. Now, if you are new right here, I would love you right now to go down there, subscribe to this channel, click on that subscribe button, like this video if you have not done so, and let's jump right into the video. So guys, welcome back to my screen. Right now, as you can see right now, I'm going to be showing you the website you can get this Udemy course for free without paying any single dime. As you can see right here, they are seen right here, they said find the perfect online courses for you. Right, find the perfect online courses for you. Instant search for over 50,000 plus courses on the web. We have collated the best online courses from the biggest platform and put them together for you. Right now, this platform have collated what over 50,000 plus courses from the best platform, and they have dropped it on this very website. Right, as you can see, these are the trending topic right now on this very platform. Python, that's Python, Java, right, JavaScript, data science, Excel, digital marketing development, design, engineering, marketing, career development. Now, if you scroll down right next, you can see that there are different course collection right here. This is over 5,000 free online courses, 7,000 free language league courses, and 150 certification courses. Right, over 150 plus certification courses. That means courses they are going to give you certificate for. What we are here is to get access to Udemy courses. So what you are going to do first is to click on this Udemy courses to have access to it. As you can see, free Udemy courses online. So once you are here, the first thing you want to do is to get registered with them. If you have not registered the first time, just click on this sign up button, then you get registered with them. So what I'm going to do right now is going to click on login because I already have an account with them. I'm going to log in with Google. As you can see right here. So I'm going to click on my accounts. So right here, I've already signed in my account. Now they're going to ask me to pick my interest, select your interest to discover the courses for you. Right, so you're going to come across this immediately you registered on this very platform. They want to know your interests, I want to know what you love, and they want to help you select the best courses around your interests. So I'm going to click on my interest right now: businesses, self-development, photography, right, design, marketing, right, and social science. Continue. Vision resolve. Just go through this very well. Don't rush it. Don't rush the process. Just make sure you select your best interest so you can have the best course for you. I'm going to select all this interest, and you can choose to skip this part if you want to. If you don't want to, just go through this part. So guys, now I've already signed in. As you can see, your user profile completed successfully. Right, I've already signed in my account, and what I want to do now is just to go ahead and select the courses I want to select. I want to walk you through this very dashboard and show you how you can have access to your course and how you can easily get this course for free, and how you can get a certificate and start studying right now. Now, if you come down, this is our course collection. We come to Udemy right here. Click on Udemy. Right now, you are going to have access to Java courses on Udemy. You can have access to right now. These are different courses on Udemy. As you can see, free Udemy courses online. Now, these are different courses right here. Right, these are foundation for front-end web development. Right, free public speaking tutorial. Right, for those who want to learn how you can speak publicly, how you can address the crowd, how you can start in front of the car. Now, these are courses for you, and these courses are free of charge. Now, so if you scroll down, these are simple stock trading technique. Right, stock trading, that is a stock investment. If you want to trade the stock market, this is a course for it right here. Right, mastering couples counseling skills. Now, these are skills online you want to learn. Right, these are skills offline, but you can easily learn them online. Let's imagine I'm here to learn video editing courses. Right now, this is a video editing courses for beginners. Learn how to edit. Right, so this is a free course. As you can see, it's under photography, video editing, free, and it's under Udemy courses. Now this is a course of 1 hour 27 minutes, right, and it's a 4.1 star rating, right, and it has over 2.3k reviews. Now any course that has over 4-star rating, 5-star rating, 3-star rating is a very good course. I recommend it full time. Right, so what I want to do right now is very simple. I want to learn this course. What I will do, I will just click on it. I will just click on this course and it will open up. Right now, this is the course and this is the fundamental of this course. Right now, it's a video editing course for beginners. Learn how to edit. This course is for free. As you can see, it's a free course. Right, that means you don't have to pay any single dime to have this course. You can easily save this course for later. If you don't want to go through it right now, click on save and it's going to save for later for you. And you can even drop your reviews right here. As you can see, they have over 78k total enrollment on this very course. That means it has over 78,000 students who have enrolled for this course, and this course have over 4.1 star rating and 2.3k total reviews on this very course. Now, before you can go through any course, it's very important that you go through the description of this course so that you know what the course entails before going through this very course. Now, this is the course feature right now. It's under Udemy, right? Udemy University. The course is English and is beginner friendly and is under the category of photography and video editing. Now, this is the course category right now, which is the course description right now. As you can see, say in this course, you will learn how to edit a video from start to finish using any video editing software. This is mad, right? Now, these are courses that people charge hundreds of dollars to teach you, right? In this video, you will learn how to edit a video from scratch to finish using any video editing software, right? About the codes of video. Now you will learn the basis of different video editing software, right? The basis of different video editing software. This is mind blowing. The theory of video editing, right? The history of video editing. Right now, the syllabus, let's move over to the syllabus. Right now, as you can see, the syllabus getting started in video editing. What is video editing? Explanation. What is video editing? The role of a video editor, right? The different type of, this is just much, right? You can just go through them. This is just syllabus 1. If you go scroll down, you are going to see syllabus 2, right? I don't want to just dwell in on this very course. Right now, this is a course, a full stack course, and it's very expensive in the market, right? But you can have access to this course for free of charge, and it's very crazy. Now, to have access to this course and to enroll for this course, what you have to do is very simple. Click on go to course. If you click on go to course, they are going to take you straight into the course and you can start receiving your lectures immediately, guys. Immediately, no waste of time. So with this, you have access to your course and you can start consuming your course and you can start going through your course, right? Immediately, guys. Immediately. You can also preview the course right here. Click on this very place. It's going to preview the course for you and you can preview your course, go through your course content, and you are in already. So I'll be leaving the link to this very platform in the description below. You can have access to this platform. Choose a course that you want to learn it, master it, and start using it for your own advantage. Knowing and mastering and become very good at a particular course or a skills is going to make you a lot of money in 2025, right? I don't want to make this video very long. I believe with this simple tutorial, you can find your way around this very website and you can have access to any course, any skills you want to learn, and you can master it for yourself. Mastering and becoming very good at the particular skills, it will make you a whole lot of money, right? Go to this website right now, click on the first link in the description of this video. I will also leave it in the comment section. Click on it, access this website, and start using it for your own advantage. I know this video was valuable to you. Please don't deny me the access of liking this video, right? Like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to someone, because this video can be helpful to someone out there who is lost right now in the value of indecision, who is looking for ways you can learn a particular skills or a way you can start making money online. This can be a savior video for that person. Share it to that person. Thanks for watching to the end. I believe you got value from this video. Right there is how you can get Udemy courses for free, right? If you follow the process and the steps I shared with you, you'll be accessing as many courses as you want for free. Now, what I advise you to do is that you sit down there, look for the courses that suit your profession or suit your needs, right? Or the courses you want to learn, pick them, enroll for them, and make sure you go through them. Don't see this as free, like see this as what you paid for, so that you have the seriousness to go through this course and master them and start using them for your own good. I believe this was valuable to you. If you have any questions for me, if you have any concerns, if you have any feedback, any suggestion at all, I would like you to drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to reply and relate to your comments. So if you have not subscribed, please kindly do so right now. So the link to this very website will be linked down in the description of this video. You can go there right now, click on it right now, access it, and start using it for your advantage. Click it right now. I have a special video for you right here. I'll see you right here, right now. Bye for now.